At the deals of the day at the Lowe's, we do have some good deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. All right, let's go ahead and start. So first one here, we do got a circular saw. This is a 6.5 circular saw kit for $59. This is an excellent deal. It is a brushless tool. So yeah, Cobalt does make some good tools. $59, excellent deal. You got some 4-inch round finish steel circular saw blades. We got some more smaller rough finish high speed circular saw blades, $24. And then some more steel circular saw blades, 4-inch. And then some high speed circular saw blades for 3-pack. So those are all on sale. And again, I'll leave you guys all the links down below in the description section of the video. There might be affiliate links from the YouTube shopping cart. You got this is a 5-tool combo kit. This is actually really good deal. $80 you're getting 3 or 4 different tools. 5 different tools. You are getting looks like a speaker, oscillating tool, a drill, impact driver, and you are getting a light. So that's a really good deal. 2 batteries, all for $79. That's a definitely check it out. You got 2 tools, impact driver, drill driver for $49. So you guys do see the difference on these. For $30, you're getting 2 more tools. So, or 3 more tools. $10 a piece, basically. This is not even loading up. Got the Craftsman freestanding garage cabinet, $2.99 from $3.99. And then you got the pass load framing nailer. You do get some framing nailers for free with this purchase. I believe this one does come with battery and charger, so $3.99 from $4.59. And you got some clothing racks, just random stuff. More clothing racks for $18. Some shoe racks with 6 tiers, maybe for the garage, for your boots and stuff like that. Same thing with this clothing rack. Some more. And shoe racks. And that's it. So pretty much that's it. Mainly the 5-tool combo kit here. This is gonna be the best bang for your buck. If I can get it in there. Alright. Yeah, that's gonna be the best bang for your buck. The deals of the day. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.